Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Macho Moza. So today we are going to make banana chips with the help of my friends.
Wow.
Basically he's the one who will be making all the banana chips, but let's see how the procedure and how we get banana chips in Garo Gao.
Plug guy. Shake the booty. That's ala yala video to de daluga me di crowd. Ode be sekar.
So friends, now we are going to other village to collect the banana, because in our village banana are still small, so we can harvest now. But they have told us that there are some bananas which we can harvest and we can make chips with that. So basically now we don't have anything, no vehicle, no cycle, no bicycle, no bike, no car to collect the banana. But let's see, there are some relatives, we can just borrow the cycle, and after that we can bring the banana here.
So friends, as you can see, we are in Somorna Baptist Church. So this place is called Somorna, and we are gonna collect banana from this village. First, we're gonna collect our bicycle from his Ambi's place.
It's not Corona, it's Somorna.
It's not Corona, it's Somorna. So we'll go and collect the vehicle from his Ambi's place, and after that we're gonna collect banana. Naronit. Abikana. So friends, if you are in village, you have to play this game. This game is called pick up the stone and throw on the pillar. So the one who strike the pillar, he wins the game. Yeah. Yes, Reddit. Yes. He's very excited because he didn't touch the pillar this way. So look, this is the stone and that is the pillar. I won. Art, tell me, how do you feel after walking 2 kilometers?
It's like I'm roaming in the desert place, because you know the road, the condition of the road is too dry.
Yeah.
It looks like we are walking through the desert, and we are looking for something that we will, rejoice our heart and all. But still we can't find it. Let's see. Let's hope to get something which can rejoice our heart and mind. That's all.
That's all.
And one thing I want to say, this is the way to the Ambi's home.
Yes.
And now we are walking on the road, so
We can see that. Say, continue, man. Continue. Sorry to this.
no. So friends, as you can say that this is rice and collecting rice.
So friends, they are collecting rice for picnic with drums and with some kids. Wow. Deva burak kita kan pada tamat deh. Deh gak subya ayo. So friends, just now we got bicycle, and this is our legendary unit. Yeah, now we're gonna put the banana over there, and after that we'll take to our village. We got the vehicle from that small house. So friends, we are going to collect that banana. This banana is called Pitagori in our language, but I don't know what they call in English. So friends, we just got this banana. Yes, this banana is called Pitagori. So I'm gonna cut. This banana. It's done. Yes, done. We're gonna make chips with this banana. So as
this burden of your friends. You have to take the sorrow, the pain, everything for your friends.
This
So,
Gandu.
for a friend. See how much I am, like struggling for a friend. How much like burden I am bearing on my shoulders. You can see the sunshine is upon me, and it's very, the sun. It's burning my flesh, my soul, and my mentality. Everything. It's burning myself. So see how much trouble I have got myself, and how much laboring I'm doing for, and the
Only for
burdens.
whom? Only for whom?
Only for Ronit. Only for
Ronit, smile please. For you. So friends, we are going to collect again another banana from another house.
Now I'm going to cut this tree. Sekarang hey, hey. Oh my god.
I have destroyed the banana.
Oh, you pretty thing. So just imagine if you have to go to the supermarket and you have to buy banana like this. What a great adventure. आराम से उचिरंग को उधर लेके जाना सारा रंग बना चिप थरी ना नाम भी हाँ उचिरंग These are Philippine peoples, and we are in Philippines right now. And as you can see, this Philippine villager, how he so this Philippine man, so his journey is very too far, and now after selling this stuff, he's going to like have like some money, and after that having some money, he'll go to his children and wife. He will feed them with it. So everybody is like bargaining, and everybody is asking how much he's going to sell his banana and his stuff and all. So but he's refusing. See, this is the legendary bicycle. You can see the rider. Wow, this is the antique piece rider we have in only one and only in our village. Oh, it's very dangerous. Just try to sing some songs because we got no stereos and also those ass, those the beauty, the booty and the beauty. Wow. So this is a video lesson we are going to upload. If you want this dancing lessons, you can subscribe to his channel. And this Filipino man is going over and over. Macho rock कर रहा लास्ट ना साइकिल के साथ. Macho is rocking the cycle.
Come on, man.
Before he was in circus, now he is retired. He got retired.
Clubbing rock.
Doing these stuffs and all. Yeah. Because before coming here, he was in a circus.
I'm trying to find some happiness while doing this hard labor.
No.
Works are very boring, so I'm trying to make it interesting.
So next time Macho will show us good new skills like how to jump from one tree to another and to falling down.
Thanks to my long legs and good skills.
Come on, Runit, now you pull. Now you
Make
now you
video.
push the vehicle.
I can't.
It's your thing, man. Come on. I'll teach you how to do. First, grab that one. First, hold the handle, and then hold the seat, and after that you can push. That's a good one.
Yeah. Good.
What, you do stand like me or?
So Runit, how do you feel by being Balika Bakra?
So sunny.
Biasa Sanil.
Sweating, man, sweating.
Sweat ya what? Let me see your sweat. Oh, it's shining.
It's shining.
That's how you should deliver your, for crack house. These all stuffs are for crack house. That's how you can, deal with your delivery boy.
Push, man, push. Come on, push.
That's how the courier works here. If you want to,
That's how we deliver the kids.
if you want to deliver your stuff and all, that's how we courier. So don't forget to call us anytime you need us.
They look awesome, man. They look awesome. Awesome, man. Awesome.
I am the Alpha Omega. Setting up when every me and my gang are the champion. Let's play for all of us. Ciao. Dimakan ciao.
Hindi malum. This is the true thug life. That's how we roll.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
Sun is very hot. That's why I'm hiding behind his back.
So friends, we just came from our banana hunt, and now we got the banana, and these are the spectators who are watching banana peeling machine. And he is our legendary Achu. You can see him properly. He's very old and he's very strong. And this is Runit. Now he is
strong like an ox.
he is strong like ox. Now he is peeling the banana. As you can see, he have to peel all the bananas out here. Yes. So smile, Runit. Yeah. So friends, as you can see, now we are making banana chips, and this is Runit. So Runit, do you want to say something? Runit? Okay, he is very busy. He's slicing the banana on the oil, hot oil. So we are using this refined oil, or you can say soybean tail. Okay. So this is chips here and chips over there, and now, as you can see, banana over there. And these are the spectators. The one already went. Okay. So Abhijit is helping him to burn the fire. Yeah. So this is banana. As you can see, lots of banana and lots of skins. And this is a mixture. This is a mixture of salt and water. Now, Runit. Okay. And what is that? Okay, this is like food coloring, I guess. And yeah, and he used this slicer to slice the bananas. And he's going to make more for all his family so that he can consume when there is no more banana. So friends, as you can see, this banana is already crispy now. Now he is going to pour salt and water solution on the oil with banana. Okay, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Salt and water, 1 spoon. That. Yeah. As you can see, accent speaks louder than what I do.
Yes. Come on, baby.
So friends, they basically do when the chips get crunchy, because it will mix with salt and water. Yeah. Yeah, now he's mixing properly with the spoon. Okay, after a few minutes, like he will take out this banana and after that he will put over there. And we're gonna enjoy his banana. So friends, now I'm going to taste Runit's chips. So let's see how the taste will be. Grab some bunch of bananas and after that take this and after that put in your mouth. Oh, wow. How's that? It's very crispy, salty.
Crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy too, and it's very tasty. Thank you, Runit, for such tasty chips. Now I'm going to take all this banana to my house. Bye.